In this video, I will be showing you how to record everything on your iPhone screen. And guess what? You don't need any extra app for doing it. Maybe that you are playing a game and you want to share some awesome footage, or like you are helping a friend who can't work out how to use their phone, or you want to send them a quick video guide. Whatever the reason might be, you want to record your iPhone video footage. Here's an easy guide. Click on Control Center and then customize controls. Now what's next? Tap the plus button next to the screen recording. So once that's done, you can now you can see a new circle icon. You can just simply tap it and you'll be given a 3-second timer. And if you want to record the sound even while the recording is going on, you can turn on and off the microphone audio option. Here you can see that. So yes, let's start. And as you can see, the red top portion has turned red because the screen recording is on. And you can see the screen recording I put in the left portion of the video. Now let's fidget a bit with the phone, and now let's stop the screen recorder and stop it. And you can see that it is saved to gallery, to your photos. Now you can go and watch it as a video. It's quite impressive and cool. So that's the video. Enjoy guys, and please subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks a lot.